Hello, today we'll be doing the ninth experiment of web technology, that is connecting web with database. We should have a facility for storing it in database, the username, then the email and the password has to be made into a database. And then we should also have cookies, that's where it could be remembered. Now let's see how it works. So this is a starting one. So it should have option for both sign up and login. So sign up means I can create a new person, maybe Ram, and then I can give some address as Ram at gmail.com. Then I can give Ram123, and here I can give Ram123. So on clicking submit, Ram also get into the list of people who are registered, and then they can have started from here Ram and then Ram 123. So this is the concept of cookie. So that if you give remember me, it could be you can see it can be seen later. So otherwise, if we try to paste this in some other page, we would not enter directly into this page into the DNS parallel. So that is the use of cookies. So So that's with cookies. And now we also have a section for forget password. That is to update the database with the new value. So we can make RAM and I think I gave RAM at gmail.com, right? Gmail.com. And the new password is RAM00. Change password. Password has been changed. Now let's try to log in. So here we have RAM and RAM00. So here we could see that we have logged into the page uh, with the changed password. So all these were from Gmail, and then when seeing its code, user and password. So the user was for CS41, password is the same. The host was webtech.carnet. Realize the connection between the database and the web page. So here this is the most important command with attributes, database host, user and password. So the user was for CS41, password is the same. The host was webtech.carnet.edu through which we run the PHP files. And here you say if the connection it's like an exception handling. If the connection is not set, it gives a connection error. The database name is UR16CS041, and we can connect it and get we can give a select DB. So everything that we access is using these variable con, because that was used for the connection. Now let's go to the first page, which contains how to sign up. So in this we have register, and the form contains action sending the data to index.sql.php, and it is in the post form. So it contains username and all these things which we have seen. And at the end, you can see that the session is unset. That means we are trying to like re-establish the thing, and through the statement include connect.php, we are explicitly or directly calling connectme.php for establishing a connection with the database. And then this is a query which is just a string, and when we give mysqli underscore query, this is executed and the result is being stored into a PHP variable dollar result, and if the result is greater than 0, we fetch everything and then show the users. So that's why we can see that at the first page we could see many people who are registered. So through that this is possible. And then when we go on with the next one, the next one is index.sql.php. It is the SQL part of it, and here we could select every informations through select star from users, the database name, and then we have established this query through mysqli underscore query, and then we have taken everything which is, and this is to check whether if there is an error. So if there is no such person available, it gives session error as that saying that the database is already present, and then it will direct to index.php for again. And then this is like how we uh, create the encrypt the password and store it into the database. So if the password is matched, then we could say that okay, fine, it's matched, or else otherwise we say that there is some error saying that password is not matched. So for that we have to again use the SQLi query. So it's basically about mysqli underscore query that initiate all the SQL functionalities. And then for logging out we have to set the cookie as set cookie, and we have to give the host name and say how much time the cookie will last. So here it is like 7 lakhs, so it's too much. And when we go on to the second page, this is for login. So if you are a user, it takes all these informations, or if you are not, it redirects to some sign up page, that is index.php. Here also we require the context which is required, so we give session underscore start and we unset the error part of it. So if this satisfies, we can see that the form is redirected to second SQL.php. The same functionality what we have seen in first is index.sql.php. Here also we will search for everything which is available using select query, all the names and password, and we'll see whether there's a match. If so, we'll try to enter. If there is no match, it will give you a message invalid, try again. And third.php is used for both. If you want to register, it's like a redirecting, so whether you want to enter or not. And here also we have to session on and off should be unset at the end, because we are using it, so it is both redirecting to index.php and second.php. So this is used for password resetting. As you can see here, the new password is to be placed, and on third SQLi, here we are basically searching. So we are searching and then we are updating. So the query is update user set password as the new password which is got, which is encrypted, and then we are assigning it to a particular user so that the database should be updated. And then we are redirecting them to the first page for again re-registration. And this is a simple PHP file that contains an image to show the home page. So this is it. This program works successfully, and as you have seen it, every functionalities of database and cookies have been satisfied.